Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to learn lesson number 3 of Unit 3, Comparison of Adjectives, which is in your English 1 book. Students, in the previous chapter, we have learned about different types of adjectives, right? And I've already explained you the meaning of adjective and its different types as well, right? So now today we will learn about comparison of adjectives. So students, you can see there are 3 girls in the picture which is given in your book, right? So you look at the picture, you can see one girl is fat, the other one is little bit more fat, and the third one is the fattest among the all 3. So students, Anisha is fat, right? You can see Anisha is a fat girl. Then the name of the girl standing, her name is Anisha. So Anisha is fat girl, and then the next girl standing is Aruna. So you can say Aruna is fatter than Anisha. So because we are comparing Aruna and Anisha, we're comparing them both, right? So when we compare two things, we add er to it. Alright? So you can see that in the first one, in the first sentence, we've just said Anisha is a fat girl, right? Whereas in the second sentence for Aruna, we've added fatter. We have added er to the word fat. So it became fatter. Aruna is fatter than Anisha. Because we are comparing Aruna with Anisha, that is why we have added ter to fat, right? So it became fatter. Now you can see that the third girl is the fattest among all 3. So because we have compared Arunima with all 3 girls standing there, right? Among all the 2 girls, Arunima is the fattest. So Arunima is the fattest of all the 3, right? So when we compare anything with more than 2 things, we add est to it. Alright? When we compare anything with 2 things, we add er. We compare anything with more than 2 things, we add est. Alright? Now, we use, the word fat is an adjective. Fat is an adjective, and fatter and fattest are 2 other forms, degrees of fats. So students, what do we call it? We call it degree of comparison. When we compare anything with anything, we call it degree of comparison, right? Because when we compare anything with the other things, the adjective word gets changes when we there are 3 degrees of comparison. We use these 3 degrees of adjectives to compare people, places, animals, or things. They are called degrees of comparison. So these are the degrees of comparison we use to compare people, places, animals, and things. And these are called degree of comparison. We used to compare the things, and this is called degree of comparison. When we compare anything, जब हम किसी 2 चीज़ों के साथ में किसी भी चीज़ को कंपेयर करेंगे, सिर्फ 2 चीज़ों के साथ में, जैसे कि ये इससे ज़्यादा मोटा है, तो इट इज़ कॉल्ड कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, जब हम दो चीज़ों के साथ कंपेयर करेंगे तो इट इज़ कॉल्ड कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. जब हम दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों के साथ में किसी भी चीज़ को कंपेयर करेंगे तो इट इज़ कॉल्ड superlative degree. So there are three degrees of comparison. First is positive degree, second is comparative degree, and third is superlative degree. So what is positive degree? Positive degree is the word, the adjective which is not changed. For example, the first sentence we just said Anisha is a fat girl. So fat is an adjective. So fat is the original word and it will remain as it is. So it is the positive degree when we are not comparing anything with anyone, right? We have not compared Anisha with any girl, right? We just said that she is fat. So Anisha is just fat. So fat is a positive degree of comparison. It is a positive degree of comparison. Whereas in the second sentence, we have compared Aruna with Anisha. So we have compared two girls, right? Aruna and Anisha. So it is comparative degree because we are comparing two girls. And the third is superlative because when we compared Arunima with all the three girls, she became fattest. The word fat became fattest. So it is called superlative degree. Alright. So formation of degree of comparison. We generally use ER for comparative degree and EST for superlative degree. So when we compare any two things, we add ER, which is in the comparative degree, and when we compare anything with more than two things, it is called superlative degree. Alright. Now students, there is an exercise given on page number 44 of your English 1 book. You can see there are few examples given. You can see the tall, taller, tallest. So tall is positive degree, taller is comparative degree, and tallest is superlative degree. So in the tall is positive, we have not added anything to the word tall, and then tall, when we added er, it became comparative degree. Tall, taller, tallest. Great, greater, greatest. Fast, faster, fastest. Small, smaller, smallest. Right? So in the comparative positive one, the adjective word remains as it is. In the comparative degree of comparison, comparative degree, we have added er. In the positive degree, we have added est to the word, right? Now write the comparative and superlative degrees of the following adjectives. Use er for comparatives and est for superlatives. So in the exercise A, you have to change these positive degrees to comparative and superlative degrees. So two are already done. Now you have to done the rest of the one. Fat, weak, healthy, funny, and great. I'll give you these 5 words as homework. Fat, weak, healthy, funny, and great. You have to write the comparative and superlative degrees of these words. Okay, till great. Only 5. All right. So students, this is your homework. Take care. Bye bye.